Hello everyone, this question is about numerical solution of equations. Part A, sketch, show that the equation has only one root. So to show this kind of root, we have to draw two functions, y equals x root square root of x and y equals e to the x minus 3. So to draw y equals root x, just maybe remember y squared equals x. It is a sideway parabola. The positive square root is the top half. The negative square root is the bottom half. So here we use the top half. We have this kind of graph. And for the e to the x minus 3, remember this is the basic shape of e to the x. So we slide this graph 3 units downwards. So the horizontal asymptote will be minus 3, and the x-intercept, y-intercept. The x-intercept here, this is when the x is 0. So this is y equals e to the power of 0 minus 3, which is minus 2. And the ln 3 here is because this is the x-intercept when the y equals 0. So we solve 0 equals e to the x minus 3, and we get 3 equals e to the x. So we ln both sides, cancel out the ln on the right, and so we have x equals ln 3. So to draw the sketch, you need to label the horizontal asymptotes, x-intercept, y-intercept, and the shape of the graph should be right. Okay, so this shows that we have only one intersection, which means we have only one root. Next part, show by calculation that this root lies between. So back to the original equation here, just move everything to one side. So here just move the root x to the right, we have minus root x, and then we replace the x with 1 and 2. Use a calculator, you will get something negative, something positive, and then you have to write something like this, draw a conclusion, because we have something positive, something negative, sign change exists, and so the root lies between 1 and 2. The next part is to show that if a sequence of values given by the formula converges to the root. So we have to show that this iterative formula can be changed into the original equation. Okay, so we have to manipulate, just do the algebra until we get the original equation. So the first step is just to ignore the subscripts, and then we have x equals ln 3 plus root x. We do e to the power of, because you can cancel out, we have only 3 plus root x, and then move the 3 to the left, we get the original equation. It's a 1-mark question. Now part D, use the formula to find the root. So this is the formula from the previous part, and from the previous part we know that we were checking between 1 and 2. So between 1 and 2 means, yeah, just add 1 plus 2 divided by 2. So this is the average, the mid value of the points we have verified. So the first step is to use the 1.5. Use a calculator in radians, of course. Okay, yeah, this is ln, so no need to use radians or degrees. So and then you just go back, so press the left button in the calculator, replace 1.5 with the answer button, and then press equal sign. You get this number and equal sign again, and so on. So if you keep going, this is the number you will get in your calculator after you press the equal sign many times. The number will stick to this. It will not change anymore because the value has converged to this. So the final answer in 2dp is 1.43. Alright, I'll see you again next time.